What if the next DJI Pocket 4 competitor isn't coming from DJI at all? What if the real threats just leaked and it's already showing footage that looks borderline cinematic? Because that's exactly what's happening right now. The Insta360 Luna has officially stepped into the spotlight, and a leaked hands-on demo is shaking up the entire pocket gimbal market. In this video, we're breaking down the modular design, the dual lens surprise, the AI-powered depth magic, and whether this could genuinely be the DJI Pocket 4 killer everyone's been waiting for. On February 11, 2026, Insta360 CEO Lu Zhangkong publicly teased the Luna, confirming what many of us suspected. But it wasn't just a teaser. A leaked demo surfaced shortly after, and instead of focusing on flashy product shots, it focused on output. Smart move, and trust me on this one, the footage is what got people talking. We're seeing natural depth, clean subject separation, and portrait quality that feels closer to a mirrorless camera than a pocket gimbal. The device itself is partially blurred in the demo, almost intentionally, as if Insta360 is saying, forget the body, look at the results. That confidence says a lot. Here's where things get interesting. The Luna appears to be modular. The core camera unit can detach from the gimbal handle and operate independently. That alone changes how creators can use it. Think of it like this. Instead of being locked into a single shooting form, you can break it down and rebuild it depending on the scenario. Mount it differently, use it handheld, reconfigure it on the fly. DJI has refined the traditional pocket form factor for years. Insta360 just flipped the concept entirely, and for creators who value flexibility, that's a serious advantage. Now here's where the debate gets juicy. The leaked specs from February 13th suggest the Luna features dual lenses, a wide main lens paired with a dedicated telephoto offering true 3x optical zoom, not digital crop. Optical. That means no quality loss when switching perspectives. You can manually swap lenses via touchscreen or joystick, or let the system intelligently handle it during tracking. For storytelling, that's huge. Wide establishing shot to tight portrait without sacrificing clarity. DJI's standard pocket models traditionally rely on digital zoom, so if these Luna specs hold up, this is a direct shot at DJI's core advantage. But the real magic appears to be happening under the hood. The Luna reportedly runs a dual-chip architecture, a main processor plus a dedicated pre-processing chip focused specifically on low light enhancement, noise reduction, and shadow recovery before the main image pipeline kicks in. That explains the footage quality. The background blur we're seeing looks natural, not artificial edge cutouts, not glitchy subject masking. It feels smooth and organic. For a device this size, that's wild. Add 4K at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit color, and roughly 180 minutes of battery life from a 1500 mAh unit, and suddenly this isn't just another action camera brand experimenting. This feels calculated. Now, before we crown a winner, let's zoom out. DJI has been quiet publicly, but FCC filings from late 2025 point toward a Pocket 4 launch window between late February and April 2026. The rumored strategy? 2 tiers, a standard single-lens Pocket 4 and a higher-end Pocket 4 Pro featuring a 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor and possibly 6K recording. Here's the thing though. Right now, Luna is showing footage. DJI is still paperwork. Specs are one thing, real-world demos are another, and in 2026, creators care about what they can actually see, not what's written in a government filing. So what do we know? Insta360 has fired the first shot, and it wasn't subtle. Dual lenses, real optical zoom, AI-driven depth, modular flexibility. If Luna lands between $499 and $699, it creates serious pressure, especially if DJI's Pro model climbs toward $899. Here's the deal. If you want versatility and cinematic depth in a pocket format right now, Luna looks incredibly promising. If you trust DJI's color science, ecosystem, and brand reliability, you might wait for the Pocket 4 Pro. But for the first time in years, DJI doesn't feel untouchable in this category, and that's exciting. So what do you think? Is Insta360 Luna the future of pocket gimbals, or are you holding out for DJI's counterpunch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want updates the second either of these officially launches, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because 2026 just made the pocket camera war very real.